glad you're here. I have a cooking bug today. That means I have to get in the kitchen and cook something. Okay, so here I have a pan. And I have 3 things I'm going to put in there. Then I'm going to add some spices and stuff. I wanted to use cream of mushroom, but I didn't see any in the cupboard, so I'm using cream of broccoli instead. And I'm going to put that in my skillet, my pan. I'm going to use some tomato sauce. This whole can is too much, so I'm only going to add part of it. That's about half of the can. I will relocate that into a baggie and put it in the freezer so that I can use it next time I need it. And I realize you can't see my head. More important that you see what I'm doing here. And now, hopefully I can get this. Oh, there we go. Hubby likes me to have meat, so I have here, I'm doing this the lazy man's way. I have some chunky sirloin burger soup. And I will add that whole can. All right, I'm getting ready to add my spices. I wanted to add Italian seasoning, but I know I've got a big container of it, but I couldn't find it. Here I have some dried basil. That smells good. I have some oregano. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. And this is organic, no salt seasoning. Okay, then I'm going to stir that all up and get it on the stove. Oh, I'm going to add 1 can of part of a can anyway of water to that, but I'll get it all stirred up so that everything is mixed together. Got to get that tomato sauce in there. Okay, I'm taking this all over to the stove. We'll get it over there. Get the burner turned on and get it started cooking. And I'll put my half a can of water and my pepper into it. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to start a pot with some water in it and throw in about half a pound of spaghetti. So a watched pot never boils, they say. So I set everything at a temperature that it wouldn't totally spill, and I went and sat in my easy chair for a few minutes until this did its thing. In case you're wondering, no, I didn't add any salt. All the cans of stuff that I put in there had salt in them, so I figured I didn't need it, and I was right, I didn't. And you hear me stirring the tomato concoction. The container that I'm cooking the noodles in is kind of shaped odd. I think it's an heirloom from my husband's family. I'm not sure which side of his family. One of his grandmothers owned it, I think. Anyway, I have like 3 pans that are that shape, only they're different sizes. A big, a medium, and a small, and I think this is this. I don't know, this might be the small or the medium. I cut the noodles in half, and they fit just perfectly into the pan that way. I stirred this with the same spoon I was stirring the tomato stuff with, so the water got a little cloudy, but that doesn't hurt anything. You know what they say about a watched pot. Okay, I have about a half a pound of spaghetti noodles cooking, and this is boiling. I did add about a half a can of water and some pepper, just red plain old pepper, to that, and it's been cooking for probably close to 10 minutes. And I set my timer for another 5 minutes. As soon as the noodles get done, we'll combine the two, sifting out all the water, of course, and then our food will be ready. Yum, that looks good. I think it's ready. And here is the finished product. Time to call hubby in for lunch, and we will enjoy this. Maybe I should take a bite. Good. So that was a yummy lunch. I'm glad you came along with me while I was making it. And I hope to see you on my next video. May the good Lord shower you with his blessings and love. Until next time, bye.